Range Rover's climate control system is easy to use. For fully automatic control, use the Auto mode by pressing Auto and then set the driver's and passenger's temperature controls. The electronics will automatically adjust air distribution and fan speed to achieve and maintain the temperature selected. For quick cooling, turn both temperature control knobs toward the blue dots. To quickly warm up the interior, turn both temperature knobs toward the red dots. To manually adjust heating and cooling, set the temperature and adjust fan speed by rotating this knob. Then select the vents by pressing the distribution buttons. The air temperature from the face and upper level vents may be fine-tuned by turning the thumb wheel left for warmer and right for cooler. Rear seat passengers can adjust the temperature from the air vents with the left knob. Use the right knob to adjust the fan speed. To activate or prevent operation of the rear climate controls, press the isolation switch located in the center console.